So, inlands from Dumaguete on Negros Island in the beautiful town of Valencia is the Japanese War Memorial Shrine. Why is this there? Because as you probably know, from 1941 to 1945 the Philippines were occupied by the Japanese, and at this location the last military encounter on Negros Island happened. So we drove there and then we went for a little hike up to this beautiful location. Now, culturally appropriately, we brought a lot of children and we went on our way. So there is a little bit of paved road at the beginning, and then you're hiking for about an hour through agricultural land. It's a really charming little hike. So we had a 5-year-old with us, meaning this is not a crash fitness test, but it's good fun. So you can see a lot of vegetation, you can see cows, goats on the way, fresh air, beautiful views. So you don't have to be super fit. At some points it does get fairly steep though. This is a great half-day trip. Now here, no more Japanese soldiers, but there are Canadian panhandlers and an amazing view. The little sari-sari store in front also sells noodles and drinks, and you can sit here, reflect about the blessing that this war is over, and you can enjoy the view over Negros. You can see the ocean here high up. What a great location. So Negros Island never disappoints. Gorgeous landscape, so much nature. This is just an amazing island we live on. I hope you enjoyed this little video and check back soon. There will be more underwater stuff besides these drone shots here. Bye!